The opening of a new Skyway production facility is another step towards increasing the production of rolling stock, elements for overpasses of various types, and other components of Yunitsky's Skyway transport systems. During a small ceremony, the honor to cut the red ribbon at the entrance to the new building was granted to Nadezhda Kosareva, General Director of Skyway Technologies Co, and Alexey Savin, Deputy General Director for Production.
The company is developing permanently and very rapidly. Our available production facilities cannot satisfy the whole range of missions that our company sets for itself. Accordingly, this is only the first step towards our project's implementation regarding the arrangement of production.
The new workshop has a total area of about 1,200 square meters, a support crane beam and a warehouse with a separate gate is added. In the near future, the existing assembly section will be transferred here, and new mechanical processing equipment will be installed in its place. This facility will allow adapting production processes to the current needs of the engineering company, developer of Skyway, in a short time. Arrangement of small-scale production of metal structures, Skyway rolling stock and its components, to ensure infrastructure projects in the Middle East region, primarily in the United Arab Emirates. This will enable the Skyway project organization to fulfill its obligations to foreign partners in implementing targeted projects timely and in full.